Okay, we're going to show you how to use Basic H. I'm going to mix up window cleaner. Basic H is an all-purpose cleaner. You can make window cleaner all-purpose. It's a great degreaser. You can get gum out of kids' hair. It's just all-purpose. It's organic, non-toxic, and what we're going to show you here is the mixing up this bottle of Basic H window cleaner. For an equivalent, you would buy over 5,800 bottles of Windex. So it's a great value. The key to this is you only want to use a drop. More is not necessarily better. And I got a little too much in that, but. So for windows, this is just lipstick. There's the mirror. You know, lipstick's kind of greasy. There you go. One of the reasons that Basic H works so well is because it's a surfactant, which means it's 100 times wetter than water. So Ed likes to do this demonstration. We're going to show you how it penetrates quickly.
This one just water?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are egg carton pieces that are cut. And we're just going to put a little bit of water in one and then add a touch of Basic H and just watch what happens.
Now the nice thing about this is that egg cartons are designed so that if eggs break in them, they don't saturate the carton. So the thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a little water on the end of this, and you'll see that it pools, and then we'll just touch it with just a little bit. You can see touch it, honey. You can just see how it immediately soaked right into the egg carton. So like Bonnie said, the Basic H makes water 100 times wetter. There's multiple purposes that you can use it for. We like to use it on our plants outside to get plants going because it makes the nutrient so much more available to the root hairs. Okay?
And I'll use your hand to, this is just shoe polish, and you know how greasy and icky it is. So I'm just going to take a dab and put on his back of his hand. And then we're going to put just a little bit of Basic H on there. The other thing about these cleaners, he's just going to rub it around, but they're all water activated.
You can see that I still have the shoe polish on the back of my hand.
But when you add water, it activates the Basic H.
So that's going.
And it just cleans it right up.
Okay. A greasy hamburger.
Yeah. So when you're working in the kitchen and you're doing chicken or hamburger or something like that that's really greasy, this is just Crisco. And again, because it's so effective, because it penetrates so well. So I'm just going to put a drop of Basic H. And he's going to swirl that around.
I'll take and swirl that around, and I can feel that it's starting to kind of break down the grease. But then, like Bonnie said, when you add water, it really emulsifies all the grease. So you can see how that's all turning to kind of a milky color. Okay, once I take and I wipe that off, There's absolutely no greasy feel at all. Here, Colleen, just feel it. Do I feel any grease in my hand there?
Not at all.
All right.
Okay, and then I wanted to show you the scour off. This is Shaklee's answer to like a Comet or Ajax. It's a paste, and you just use lots of water with this. You would apply it, just a dab of it, to a sponge. Things like your shower, like hard water spots on windows. I use it on the ceramic stovetop, oven cleaner, barbecue grill, white wall tires, and it smells so good. You imagine smelling your oven cleaner, you know, if you use that, and how potent it is and how it chokes you up. This just smells like, kind of smells like bubble gum or something. It's just got a really good, clean smell to it. Okay, basic G. Just think of G for germs. This is a disinfectant. And hold.